Hello, grab your math book. We'll do math together again. All right, so we're on 13.3 today. And the next 2 days, I will not be doing a lesson like this because I do have some alternative lessons or alternative activities that you can do with some fun manipulatives that you might have around your house. So you don't have to do bookwork if you want to do that instead. So today, this first page right here, we have Jackson, and he needs to find a circle that is a flat surface of a solid. So yesterday, you looked at some shapes, some flat shapes within solid shapes, and a lot of solid shapes have a flat shape on some surface of them, like a cube has a square on the surfaces. You have cylinders have two circles on each end, right there. A cone has a circle on the bottom. Another cylinder has two circles on the bottom. Cone has a circle on the bottom. A sphere doesn't have a shape, a flat shape, because it's just all round. Okay, so he wants to find a circle that is a flat surface. So you want to look here and see, I'm going to get my black out, and you want to circle all of the figures that have a circle as part of the solid shape. So if you look right here, does a cylinder have a circle on it? It does on the bottom, right? A cylinder has a circle. Does this box have a circle? No, it doesn't. Does the sphere have a circle? No, it doesn't. And they ask you in the directions here to put an X on the shapes that do not have a circle. Although a sphere, you kind of connect with a circle, it's not a circle, is it? And then this box here does not, this cube. Does a cylinder, this thread, have a circle as part of the solid shape? Yes, it does on both ends. Does this cube? You're right. No, how about this cylinder right here? Two circles, right? One on the top, one on the bottom. How about this canister of tennis balls? Two circles again. Nice job. Top and bottom. And how about this cone, this orange cone? There is a circle on the bottom. Nice job. All right, so we can turn to the next page. You already did one page. Nice job. So let's look right here. You're going to look at the shape on the left. So this is the left right here. Look at this shape and draw a circle around the solid figures that have that as a flat surface in it. So let me get my solid shapes here. Just to give you an idea. So there's a square, and you want to circle the solid shapes that have that flat shape as part of one of its surfaces. Okay? A cube, right? A cube has a square as part of one of its surfaces. So you would circle the two cubes. My drawing is not great on this. Does a cylinder have a square as part of one of its flat surfaces? No, it doesn't. So you would put an X. Or you could leave it alone. You don't have to do anything with it. Number two, let's look at this shape on the left, a circle. And then look at these shapes. Which solid shape has a circle as part of one of its surfaces? Does a cube have a circle in it? No, it doesn't. Does a cylinder? Yes, it has two circles, the top and the bottom. And does a cone have a circle as part of it? Yes, it does. The bottom of a cone is a circle. So you would circle that. Nice job. Let's go on to the next page. All right. Number 3. So let's look. This is what they say here. Draw the flat surface of the solid figure that is circled. So they circled the cylinder and the cone. Which shape is the flat surface on both of these solid shapes? Correct. It is a circle. So they want you to draw the circle, which is the flat shape. I can't really draw a great circle with this tool on this, but I do my best. That's all I ask of you, is to do your best. So you would draw your circle. So the next question is, look at the shape on the left and draw a circle around the solid figures that have the flat surface with that same shape. So here's the flat shape is the square, and you want to circle all of the shapes that have a square as one of the flat surfaces. Does a cone have a square? Does a cylinder have a square? Does a cube have a square? Yes, a cube does. So you would circle the cubes. Oops. Trying to get out of control with that black pencil here. Now let's look right here. Circle. Does a cylinder have a circle? Yes, it has two. So you would circle this one. Does a cone have a circle? Yes, it does. Does a cube have a circle? Nope. It has a square as the flat surface. Does a sphere have a circle? This is kind of tricky. It's no, because a sphere does not have a flat surface at all. It's totally round, so there's no flat shape on a sphere. So let's look right here. We have a square. Let's look at these shapes right here. Which ones have a square as a flat surface? Cone? No. How about a cylinder? No. How about the cube? Cubes have lots of squares, so you would circle the cubes. Doesn't matter which way they're going, they're still both cubes. Nice job. You did so well with that page. This is the last page. Number 7 and 8. You look at this shape and you find all of the shapes that have that shape as one of the flat surfaces. So number 7, you want to find all of the square flat surfaces. And number 8, you want to find all of the circle flat surfaces. I'm going to let you try this on your own. I'm going to give you a couple seconds. Maybe more than a couple seconds. Does an ice cube have a square? Does a cylinder have a square? Can. Does a tissue box have a square as a flat surface? Does a present? Does an ice cream cone? Does this tennis ball holder? Does this tennis ball? No square. Does this party hat? No. So you have this one. To see if you're right, you have this one, and this one. All have squares. Now let's check your work on this one. You want to find the surface that has a circle on one of the surfaces. Does this salt shaker, pepper shaker? Yes, it does. How about this funnel? Yes, it does. How about this blueberry jam or grape jam? It does have a circle. Does a baseball have a flat surface that's a circle? It doesn't have a flat surface at all, so no. How about this Rubik's Cube? The flat surfaces are square, not circle. How about this birthday present? The flat surfaces are square, you're right. How about this drum? There are two circles, the top and the bottom. Nice job. How about this party hat? The bottom is a circle. Nice job with this. So this one right here on number 9, they want you to look at the two that are circled and draw the flat shape that is on the surface of this solid shape. So which flat shape makes up the sides of this solid shape? Can you draw that shape right here in this space? Is it a circle? Or is it as best I can draw it. Trying to be steady. It's a square. Nice job. Great job today. Great job with your math book, boys and girls. I know it hasn't always been easy, but I appreciate you for sticking to it. For the next 2 days, you're welcome to continue on with the next lessons, but I also have some alternative lessons that I would do in the classroom instead of doing book work because I think these are more fun. So I have some ideas and things that I'm going to share. So you're welcome to keep working in the book And the rest of the book you can keep doing for the rest of the summer. There's some step up to first grade lessons that you can keep working on before you go to first grade in the fall, or you can do some of the activities that I post on Thursday and Friday about building 2D and 3D shapes. So I hope you have fun with that, and great job today. Bye.